It's a slice of Chinese tradition, the daily flag raising here in Tiananmen Square. And yet, Chinese tradition is rapidly giving way to futuristic China at an astounding and astronomical rate.
From forays into space to rescues by drone, from driverless buses to driver training by VR.
Good.
Artificial intelligence, facial recognition, high-tech innovation. China is now leading the world in so many high-tech ways.
Future energy, future transport. Some of the themes to be explored in this series.
So what are their secrets? How have they mastered so much in this new high-tech age? In the series ahead, we'll talk to China's top business leaders. We'll learn more about their can-do, go-go attitude. Welcome to China, a very futuristic China.
When it comes to artificial intelligence, China has a plan, and it's huge. China plans to outspend the world in AI and aims to be the world leader in the field by 2030. President Xi has laid out goals that would see $1 billion spent on AI in the next few years. An AI Plan Promotions Office has been set up in the Ministry of Science and Technology with a three-part agenda: solve key problems in research and development, pursue a range of applications and products, and cultivate an AI industry. Already in everyday life, the Chinese are ahead. Getting into the office, no worries. Facial recognition technology will let you through. Paying for purchases, will flash your phone and WeChat completes the transaction in seconds. As robots are being employed in a range of businesses, the Chinese economy goes from strength to strength.
I see the Chinese economy in the short term pretty much doing what it's doing now: robust growth, rebalancing the economy, services and consumption driving it harder. In the medium term, I think you'll see a mature Chinese economy, lower rates of growth, but the economy will be more balanced, again with services taking up a much bigger part of the economy. And in the long term, well, who knows? As John Maynard Keynes said, we're all dead, but you are looking at an economy in about 20 years, which will be probably almost twice the size of the US economy.
Jeff Raby believes high-tech China is already leading the world.
When you think of Alibaba, JD.com, in social media, WeChat, this area has gone ahead in leaps and bounds in China and clearly is leading the world. And you'll see more of that, I think, in future.
As far as artificial intelligence goes, Jeff Raby sees China's growth as phenomenal.
How successful China has been in the area of AI is quite remarkable. It's come from a very low base, invested heavily in it, and now it sees, like a number of countries, AI being the future for manufacturing and advanced systems processing. China attracts leading AI experts and professionals from around the world. In fact, I visited years ago a robotics university in northeast China, and they had 1,000 professors working there, 500 of whom came from either the United States or Japan.
One of the companies at the forefront of the AI revolution is Baidu.
Well, just as Google's a household name in the West, think Baidu when you're in China.
Step into their Beijing headquarters and you're transported into the world of the future.
A friend asked me, do you know what does the hammer shark look like? So I just need to ask this robot and it will give me the picture. 小鱼小鱼，锤头鲨的图片。
为你找到以下内容。
Jing Qin is one of Baidu's expert executives charged with implementing their new vision.
Baidu, as you know, is the biggest search engine in China. So we basically serve 700 million users, and we are the dominant search player in China.
So Baidu is really the Google of China.
Yeah, we actually operate, our business is even more broad than Google. Oh, Baidu is already an international company. So we are, firstly, we are a Nasdaq public company. And secondly, we operate our business outside China for a long time. So for example, that we are in Japan for a long time. So for Japan market, the biggest popular input method is actually created by Baidu.
I want to look for some music for jam, so I can ask Raven Edge to search for me. 今天有什么新闻？
为您播放
Already, Baidu's programs are powering modern
Just
devices.
to say, I want to watch a movie. I will just say, 我想看电影。
为你找到以下电影。
Voice command is all the go, with Baidu's Deep Voice 2 capable of hundreds of different languages.
播放第5个。
正在为您
It's all about touch, says Jin Qing, executive charged with overseeing China's Aldua OS research and implementation.
So let me get this straight. You're saying because Chinese characters and the Chinese language is so complex, much more so than English, it's forced Chinese to learn to use computers in a different way.
Yeah, definitely. So that's a big barrier for Chinese users to learn how to communicate with PC, because the keyboard is so unfamiliar to us.
This is a technology that's evolving all the time.
Right.
Where are you at now in development?
So a great question. So Baidu is a very technical driven company. It probably has the best technology talents in China market. We have been investing in the AI technology for many years. Even started with the Baidu search engine that founded in the year of 2000. That you can believe that behind the search engine is all AI technology powered product. We use our speech recognition technology for search. We use our natural language processing technology for search. We also use our big data and also the different user modeling technology, AI technology for search. So we have been investing in those kind of deep technology for many years.
Baidu and other high-tech companies are developing technology at a breakneck speed, with devices like mobile phones.
So I think we give a lot of credit to Apple iPhone, that it basically optimized how people interact with phone with finger, right? So, but we believe that in the AI era, in next 10 years, people can also talk to phone. You squeeze the phone, saying, okay, what's my next calendar? What's the next meeting? What's today's weather? And you can even talk to the phone without touching the phone. So we believe that's the direction that the phone will moving into. So what's our technology inside the phone is to enable the phone have this kind of far-field voice capability that you can even talk to a phone without touching the phone. So that's our strength. That's our platform to empower the phone to have this kind of capability.
And this same voice command technology is being applied in motor vehicles as well.
Yeah, right, definitely. So dual voice right now is already basically everywhere. It's on phones, it's on earphones, it's on speaker, it's also in car. So in car, when we drive in the car, I think when you're in car, it's the most convenient way that for people to communicate with car is using voice, because the eye needs to be on the road and hand me to on the wheel. When people driving, they can just talk to a car, find me the nearest gas station, and find me the nearest restaurant. So all using voice. That's a very safe and convenient way for people to communicate with the car, find the information, find the services. We believe it's a lot safer and a lot more convenient for users.
What are your tips, your secrets?
So I believe that for myself, firstly, I'm definitely looking at a very certain and bright future. So that's a dream for I need to fight for.
So where do you see things going with technology in the future?
We definitely want to leverage Baidu's biggest platform to empower more business partners, not only big partners, but also small and medium partners, to help them to be successful, to help them to build the device with these voice capabilities.
So there's an exciting future ahead in AI.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Yet another top Chinese company specialising in artificial intelligence is iFlyTech, world leaders in intelligent speech technology.
The smart home isn't coming, it's already here. iFlyTech has developed technology that allows you to clap your hands, give a voice command, and it all happens. What you're about to show me today is this translation machine, speaking 7 different languages, including Mandarin, including English. So I should be able to speak to
iFlyTech has
you
already mastered many artificial intelligence voice and visual communication systems.
Hello, my name is Guqian Jiang. Nice to meet you.
They're a software enterprise dedicated to the research of intelligent speech and language technologies.
I see CCTV SWATs.
Co-founder and vice president of the iFlyTech group is Jiang Tao.
As I understand it, you're the market dominator. You have 70% of the market in this sort of technology in China. Very impressive.
iFlyTech has focused on one big thing these past 18 years, to produce machines and equipment that can not only listen and talk, but are also capable of understanding and thinking like human beings. From an AI point of view, this is perception of intelligence to cognitive intelligence. Perception of intelligence is like humans who can listen and talk, while cognitive intelligence is like humans who recognize and understand logical inference, analyze, and express knowledge. Machines we are working on can now read, study, and interact in highly advanced activities. Just like human beings, they even operate at the level of experts.
上周3的焦点访谈
So voice control, as we can see, changes the channel, goes into replay, goes to a particular point, a time code in a program.
Yeah.
What's the secret of iFlyTech's success?
Our experience in the last 18 years can be summarised by 2 things. One is innovation, the other perseverance. We describe our innovation as Ding Tian Li Di, hit the sky and stand on the ground. That means we must always operate at a high standard with core technology. We've achieved top results in the international marketplace with voice recognition, voice synthesis, as well as reading and understanding. Meanwhile, we must also make sure this technology can be commercialised, produced as saleable products, serve more people and families, and let more people enjoy and use the new service.
叮咚叮咚，我回家了。I say I go home and it can open this machine and all those things.
We see demonstrations here in the showroom of a smart home. In 10 years' time, how prevalent will this sort of technology be in homes around the world?
应该说，这块啊，未来
People regard this era as the era of the internet, where everything is connected. With the launching of 5G, the internet will step up another level. All types of equipment could be sources of information with different types and sizes of screens. The new technology will interact with people. We're looking forward to that time, and we'll cooperate with all partners in the industry in further developing this new technology. We believe in the future, AI will be part of everyone's life, like water and electricity, with no one able to live without it.
When you started, what did you dream?
后来我们的梦想就是。
Then our dream is to let all equipment, every mobile phone, every television, every car, and all other intelligent equipment be able to listen, talk, think, and understand just like human beings.
One sentence. Where do you see iFlyTech in 10 years' time?
10年以后
In 10 years' time, iFlyTech will have become the leading AI company in China.
非常一个。
Another world leader in new technology is Tiandi. Their speciality is surveillance, with their video surveillance cameras now operating in more than 60 countries. Based in Tianjin in northern China, they employ more than 2,000 workers, 800 of them in research and development. Their range of surveillance cameras allows users to identify criminals and track car number plates.
So Tiandi has already been well established, 60 countries around the world, And this is your latest technology,
Yes, we call panoramic PTZ.
panoramic, and you've got 8 cameras on top of this building.
Yes,
Enables you to zoom in quite close, number plates, people's faces.
yes. So I just show you how this one works. So just like, for example, we find the area here and just click.
Okay, so you've zoomed in, you've nominated that number plate there. Up it comes over here. So over we go.
Yeah.
There's your close-up. You're able to read his number plate, J821V5.
Yes.
And of course, this can help police. It can help all sorts of security.
Like, for example, if anything happens, the panoramic PTZ can just zoom in.
Yes.
Even like they have like 800 meters distance. So 44 times zooming. So you can see really clearly. Like you can just show in the screen, even a small plate, they will see really clearly.
Is this linked to facial recognition? Could we pick up a face on this technology, on these cameras?
Yes, at the moment, but currently we only use this in China.
So in China, you could, a criminal's walking along here, your camera can pick up his face and identify him.
Yes, yes.
And the cameras employed here are picking up every single face looking for a criminal.
Yes.
And the criminal's face will have been put into your database?
Yes, we have the criminal, usually the police have the criminal photo in the database, so
Yes.
we can capture, the criminal face in the street. Like, yeah, for example, he's a criminal,
Yes.
and we capture the pictures.
So there's his original image up there.
Yes, and we compare his photo in the database, so we will find the name.
Okay, a 3-step process here with these facial recognition cameras. This camera captures their face?
Capture the face. And the second steps, they will like identify your face, use different algorithm, so they will find your filter in your face.
Yes. So it's picking up all
the details of
parts,
your
all the details of my face there,
Yes,
including eyes,
everything in your face.
facial shape,
Yes,
and the third monitor.
will be compare your face, compare your picture to the database.
Yes.
So if you you can see from this one, it will find me in the database. The accuracy of the face recognition is more than 99% correct.
This technology is so smart that you can try to disguise yourself, like with sunglasses,
Yes, they still can identify you.
still can recognize you. Let's
see.
try it. Let's give it a go.
Yeah.
On go the glasses. Now, how on earth can that identify you like that?
Yeah.
So what it's done, it hasn't been fooled at all. It's picked up your face, can't see the eyes, but it's picked up your facial shape and matched it to an earlier photograph.
Yes, you're correct.
Tiandi's commitment to research and development is such that they've hired more than 800 experts to work on new solutions and applications. The Tiandi success is such that the company now ranks number 11 in video surveillance around the world. Finally, there's the universe of humanoid robots, with UB Tech a global leader. Based in the ultra-high-level technology city of Shenzhen, UB Tech has developed products for both business and educational users. The educational market includes the intelligent robot Alpha. Jessica Pan puts these intelligent robots through their paces.
Jessica, they're toys, but they're educational toys.
Actually, we call it educational robots instead of the toys because it's the type of the STEM curriculum products for our product line.
So you're very much intending these to be used by school children?
Yes, it is. It's a very good educational product, robots for the kids, and you can bridge now the bridge between the parents also and the kids and education at home too, not just in the school. The educational market is a very big market and which is very good for the future.
Alpha 1 Pro is the new generation product of UB Tech.
UB Tech is spending big money promoting robots in the Western market.
Housing coverage in the chest and Alpha 1 Pro, your new fun, entertaining family member.
Another educational robot is Jimu.
We developed the Jimu robot, which you can build and play and share and code the robots by yourself.
The first thing we need to do is to build the small robots, build it up to make it. And we have a 3D graphic to teach students step by step. And every step we can drag to observe everything in every angle. Step by step, it's really easy to follow. And we have a test a 5-year-old child can follow this to build up a robot by its own.
But it's business applications that have allowed UB Tech to make significant advances.
So introducing Cruiser, and Cruiser has many AI functions.
Yeah, for example, like voice recognition and face recognition, and also the SLAM function, which is called navigation obstacles. So it can guide you to somewhere, and then also you can customize the UI and the software. So we provide SDK for the customization to meet the different business requirements.
For the commercial robot now, actually we released just this year. And we had a manufacturer in the Yunnan, Kunming, and we already sold like 5,000 pieces around the world. The main market is in China now.
So what sort of work are those robots doing?
Actually, the robot is called Cruiser. So the main functions is like you can voice interaction, and also it has a face recognition. You can recognize your face and recognize when people come in. And also it has the SLAM function, which is we call navigation. So it can dance and for entertainment. So you can talk like a human.
Hello, James.
As UB Tech's Lynx robot demonstrates, the company has made big breakthroughs in digital servos, the core part of humanoid robots. There's no doubt that artificial intelligence will have a profound influence on everyone's lives in the future. China's assertive advances in this area will hasten the AI revolution. In the next episode, looking at leading Chinese companies and their executives, we'll see a range of Chinese innovations: drones, driverless buses, electric cars, driver training using virtual reality, and advances in green energy. All ahead in our next episode of Futuristic China, insights from China's business leaders.